Hi guys, welcome back to this video and let's prepare mint banana bread. It's a very simple recipe and let me first show you the ingredients. And start preparing the bananas. Set this aside. Let's start working on the dry ingredients. So I'm going to mix all the dry ingredients together. And then we'll add the liquid, not all of it at once. So since I'm using mint, like the actual mint, I'm going to add it at this point. But if you're using mint that's in liquid form, mix it together with the other liquids. So I'm just going to go in with mint. I really love mint. I'm also going to add a few chocolate chips, and then after I transfer the butter, I'll add more. So I'm gonna let them sit there, then I'll mix this together.